Hello folks, welcome back. Dave's vintage Meccano set. Slowly figuring out where everything goes. Anyway, I went to Service Ontario on Friday to register my 36 Chevy Coupe. It is done. This is what you would call a pink slip in America. It's green in Canada. My name, my address, my VIN tag, Master Deluxe. All legal, thank God. So now I can properly proceed with the project. Now I tried some matte black on it, kind of just to see how I like it. Now I'm sure it would look great with the chrome wheels on it, but to be honest I'm not sure if I like the black. I might just wire brush it all down and clear over the metal. That could look quite nice. Easy enough to change if I don't like it, but I'm really not sure about the black. Anyway, figured out where these things go. I thought they attached to the frame and held on the fenders, but these actually attach to the grille frame. They kind of attach down there and go that way, and then the fenders sit on top. So the first thing I need to do is work out how to attach this to the frame, and then I can piece it all together from there. The only problem is I still have to dismantle the rat rod because I'm really running out of space. I can't have two projects taking up space. So I have to completely strip this down and chop the frame up and use the front and rear axles for the new project. I just don't want to get dirty today. It's Sunday, fall, you know, it's a nice day for a drive. So I think I'll resume tomorrow. So progressing very slowly, but at least it's legal and it's good to go. Full confidence now that I can proceed with this. Okay, just a short video, let you know where I'm at. All legal, good to go. Speak to you soon. Hello friends, today is D-Day. D for dismantling / destruction. Poor thing. Okay, and I have disconnected the body from the frame. Brake master cylinders out, made a nice mess. Brake fluid everywhere, interior's all out, dash is out, pedals out, fuel tank out. So really just going to lift off the body now, put it over there for now, and then start a chopping, I guess. Well, I'll take the engine off first, and then chop off the front, disconnect the back. Oh, so much fun. Body's off, making lots of nice puddles all over the freshly painted drive. Oh well. So next I think I'll take the engine and gearbox out in a winner, and that's going to live in that tiny corner there. Somehow I'll maybe poke the transmission narrow end underneath that table. So I'm just getting as much fluid out the engine as possible before I hoist it and piss fucking coolant everywhere. Oh my god, it's even mixing with the brake fluid and making pretty colours. Isn't that nice? So, yeah, that's the plan. Engine out, put that somewhere safe, and then it is the rear axle, front axle, almost there. Still sad, but it's all going to a good cause. This big bad girl here, I think she's a girl, who knows. Right, next. You know the hardest part of taking an engine out of a car is finding the bloody chains to link from there up to the freaking hoist. It's taken me an hour and I had to just give in and use little ratchet straps. Pain in the ass. Yeah, make some noise, Mr. Lawnmower Man. Try to do a video here. Anyway, almost out. Good news is there's no oil leaks at all down there, which is really nice. It's the only time you get to see the underside of an engine properly. Yeah, very nice. No leaks. Obviously there's a leak coming out of there because there's nothing attached. Hey, everything else is good. Obviously the exhaust manifolds were garbage. You can see all the where it's been blown through, which is probably what was causing the backfire from earlier videos. Okay, I can't hear myself think. I've got on with this now. Oh, now he switches it off. Dick. Okay, on with it. Here we go. Told you it would fit. And I really love this engine. It's so nice. One day it'll be in there. And it'll look tiny. But that's okay. Okay, next. Oh god. Probably front and rear axles next. Okay, I've rolled the new project outside, but I had to take this film because this is funny. There's perspective for you. What was I thinking? That's far too small for a human. Oh my god. Okay, so I've moved the frame over to this side because it looks like it might rain. So I'm going to roll that inside and I can dismantle at my leisure. That's so funny. Wow. Oh well, I've run out of effort. Now I've put these fenders over the original frame setup just to see how much room I've got. Doesn't that look cool? Anyway, just for the meantime, as you can see there's plenty of room in there for the front steering bar and all that. The grill will sit away out here, so that's fine. So old frame in here ready for chopping up. Makes more sense. It means I don't get the driveway covered in rust again. And all my power tools can plug in locally. Driveway's clear again. Cover over the new one. Shit box over there. Grr. Okay, that's us for today. Working for the next couple of days, so I'll be back on it Friday. Friday? What day is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Thursday. Be back on it Thursday. See you then.